Anyway, here's my warning to Paulo Cruzada, ha. This is a really New Year resolution. You know what? I'm gonna say to you, Paulo Cruzada, why can't you just learn about your lesson? If you didn't learn how to stop bullying anyone. Because you ruin, aside of Shania Kiana, you trying to manipulate her, bully her in social media. So when are you gonna stop anyway, Paulo Cruzada? You know what? I'm gonna say to you, Paulo Cruzada, this is not really funny. As I just expected. And you need to learn your lesson in the past for what you are doing. Oh. Just like I said, I have a warning to all of you. Paulo Cruzada, Wawel Romero, Gima Casandil, Jeffrey Asedio, Gina Asedio, and including including Angelo Bonsa and Arnel Guerrera Castillo. Why can't all of you just learn how to move on? And why can't all of you just learn how to stop? Oh, this is really embarrassing. Oh, even you, Paulo Cruzada, you mentioned my mom's sister, oh, who was in Germany, Nanay Ningning, oh, Anna Kirchenberg, oh, the wife of late Uncle Eugene, oh. And next, you mentioned of Kuya M.A. Chanbiray, who was living in Japan. Oh, this is very embarrassing, Paulo Cruzada. You know what, Paulo Cruzada? I already told to your dad. Oh, even your mom, Marion Cruzada. Because Marion Cruzada says to me, the mother of Paulo Cruzada, he is also a special child. Oh, that's what she said. Because Shania Kiana asked me in interview and Zoom meeting, he's also a special child. This is very embarrassing. You know that, Paulo Cruzada? You know, Paulo Cruzada, you need to learn how to stop. This is not a game for what you have done. This is really embarrassing to the public. Even you, Arnel Guerrera Castillo, Best Pills. You spreaded the pornography in your Pornhub. It's not in Facebook, it's not in Instagram, it's not in Twitter, in X, it's not in TikTok, it's in Pornhub. You make yourself embarrassing. And now you see, the people are bashing you. I say to you, Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo, even you, Wawel Romero. You know what, Wawel Romero? You're such a liar. Your friends are unfriended you from CDIFI. Like Buddy Castro, Kathleen Canete, including Gabriel Narag, oh, Joshua Arroyo, Paulo Cuva, oh, even John Almonte, and Yvette Crystal Dulce Jurado, oh, and all of my friends from former CDIFI schoolmate, they are unfriended you. Oh, so what will be happen to you, Wawel Romero? You lied to me that you that I hacked the Facebook account of Ronald Rebena last 2019. You're the one, you know my address in my house in Caloocan. You, Wawel Romero, when before uh, David Gill and his parents know that address made by Wawel Romero. You know, Wawel, for me, you have to deactivate your Facebook account, Wawel. You are a liar. You have no friends. If I was listen to Jerick Silva and Paulo Cuva, even Buddy Castro and Kathleen Canete, even Jens Manaid as well, even his family members, they never believe you. They never to be as your friends. And you are a liar, Wawel Romero. Just like Paulo Cruzada, you are a liar. Even Arnel Guerrera Castillo, Best Pills, Angelo Bonsa, Gina Sejo, Jima Casandil, and Jeffrey Asejo, all of you are telling lies. I'm never always to tell a lie. All of you are liars. As for me, folks, this is really embarrassing. If I'm saying to you, Paulo Cruzada, Wawel Romero, Angelo Bonsa, Arnel Guerrera Castillo, and Jean Asejo, Jima Casandil, and Jeffrey Asejo, all of you, even you, Lance Salvacion, deactivate all of your Facebook account. You make us embarrassment. You make us piss. You make us miserable. But I don't say a bad word. This is really embarrassing. Just like I said, you know, for me, Paulo Cruzada, you have to stop fighting. Even you, Wawel Romero, Jima Casandil, Jeffrey Asejo, Gina Sejo, Angelo Bonsa, and Lance Salvacion. Please, all of you, stop harassing other people. Stop fighting against us. And you make Joseph Maspinas pissed. This is really embarrassing. What am I gonna say to all of you? When before I started my YouTube blog, this is very embarrassing. Like I said, embarrassing.